One important recommendation to which government attaches considerable importance is the aspect of the training and inspection which the mover rightly emphasized. Stop. More than anything else, if the future of this industry is to be assured, if development has to be made on the basis of scientific and technological advances, then the greatest attention will have to be paid by the industry to training, cost accounting, and inspection. Stop. Even in the past, before this committee made this recommendation, we had lost no opportunity to remind the manufacturers to train as many of the personnel as possible and so evolve the system of cost accounting and inspection that the after sale service and the service to be rendered to the consumer, whether a truck operator or a passenger car user, was established as in every developed and advanced country which had motorized to a considerable extent. Stop. I want to assure the House that we are laying the greatest possible emphasis on this aspect of the question, and we want to see that both in respect of the private sector and the public sector, when it comes out as a manufacturer, the greatest attention is paid to giving proper facilities for cost accounting training and inspection training of the staff at all levels, the floor managers, the middle managers, and the top managers, the technicians at all levels, and so on. Stop. We also want to see that at every point of the different production analysis, even oblique every component, whether in the ancillary industry or in the large scale industry, is properly costed and inspected through statistical quality control and all the modern methods of productivity to ensure that the customer is served right. Stop para. There is one other aspect to which I would like to draw attention. Stop. The highest priority is given to the commercial vehicles by this committee, as has been done in the past by the Tariff Commission. Stop. In the discussion on small cars, there are many other aspects which are far more important than even the cars, which of course are undoubtedly important and which have not been given attention to even by the reading public or by the honorable members of this house. I would like to draw attention to this aspect, which is a basic fact. Stop. The development of commercial vehicles is important for the development of the country's transport and should be given the highest possible attention. Stop para. The question that arises next is as to what we are doing about the ancillary and spare parts. Stop. I would like to place a few facts before the House. Stop. 5 years back, there were only a dozen units making ancillaries, and that too not in a very scientific manner. Stop. The annual production was worth less than a crore of rupees. Stop. The House would be glad to know that as a result of the continuous developmental policy and guidance, both technical and otherwise, being rendered by the government, the development wing, and also by the industry, we have now been able. Stop.